Welcome. Today we're going to make a pink snowflake using the Dollar Tree's pink Valentine's Day trees they came out with this year. I saw this over at Lacey Space here on YouTube. Let's get started. We're going to take these two trees, remove these. I've already removed it from the other one. Line them up like this. At Lacey Space, she used zip ties. I'm a little low on my zip ties that are bigger that will fit around all these, so I'm duct taping. It's not perfect, but it doesn't have to be because it's going to be all hidden. Now we're going to fluff the trees. I try to pull like everything forward because the back's going to lay flat anyways. So I try to pull it forward and go all the way through. On all of them, you can see I kind of already did these ones. And they're like all pushed kind of forward. So they almost even have like a little tree type shape. I did cut these off because they're a little extra long, and I'm going to actually put these on my nautical Valentine's Day tree I made out of these trees. I will insert a picture here. And I will also link how I made my trees fuller. I did a quick short on that. Okay, make like an X like this. So here we are, we're ready to start zip tying. Put this under here. I'm gonna do it a little bit loose until I kind of get some of the other zip ties in, and then tighten it up because it'll start to shimmy around. I like using these to cut my zip ties. Some people use scissors, but these are a little bit thicker. And I use these to cut my florals and my metal wire and such. You could actually use like rope in between here to tie this all together. You could move that a little bit. You could wire it all up. All right, now in Lacey Space, she put a bunch of ribbon and stuff in here to like kind of cover this up, but I'll do this opposite of but since my heart is so fluffy, it hides all this stuff in the middle. But some other ideas, if you don't want to use ribbon either, maybe do a wood heart and another wood heart. If you are going to use this outside, do some sort of weatherproofing on it. Or if it's maybe in a kind of covered porch or something, you could probably get away with it. Mine's going to hang up in front of my house. It's a little bit like of a covered porch, so it only gets so much weather. Let's see what else we got. We could maybe do a round, paint that up some color. Something like this in the middle, or even put this over a bunch of the cute sparkly ribbon. You could take one of maybe these foam hearts, glitter it up, paint it up, put that over a ribbon, or even on the round. You could cover up the middle and maybe add one of these love words. These are something, if it's outside, I would definitely weatherproof these as well, because, I mean, this is Dollar Tree and it's MDF, it'll get weathered. I have this also, it used to be on a stick, but you can do something like this, and it kind of hides, you know, just to give you guys some more ideas. We're gonna take these lights and put them on before I put this on. It'll make it easier. And get them out of the box. Goodness. This is a set of 50. Could probably go for a set of 25. You could use a little set of fairy lights if you want to keep this indoor that's battery operated. Dollar Tree sells some. I personally buy mine at Amazon in bulk. I'm actually gonna zip tie this piece just to get it out of the way, so it's not dangling all over. Okay. And I'm gonna string the lights kind of out through the back and poke them to the front. I'm gonna take it off camera. Okay, we're back. Little zip ties here and there. Sometimes I twirl a little bit of the piece of garland tree strand around it so that I can get them to all tuck in and stay. Now, we're gonna have to end up doing a little more fluffing. Snowflake time. All right, this is another one I'm gonna do a little bit loose in case I gotta kind of move it around. And then I'll tighten it. Oh, you know how life goes, and I messed up some footage, and it was a part about this tinsel heart. I'm gonna clip it in as we're going through a speed mode when I'm kind of putting stuff together. This tinsel heart was one of the 3 sets that Dollar Tree carries. So I took it all apart. I took apart this tinsel. I got this after Christmas. I'm gonna yarn wrap or do something with these eventually. So I just wrapped it around and wrapped it around, and it made it so nice and thick. I'm not really into tinsel, but it actually works for this project and looks way cuter when it's all nice and full like this. Okay, here we are with a tinsel heart. Our last piece. Didn't mean to scream that so loud. Look how cute it is. Cut this back off. Yes, yes, we'll do a little fluffing. Okay, I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna fluff a little bit and we're gonna plug her in. We're back. It's time to light her up. So fun. I can't wait to hang it outside. Thanks for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, share, show the love. You know how it goes for us YouTubers. Anything helps us out. I really appreciate if you watched the video and actually made it to the end. I will see you next time.